Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Life of Happiness. I hope I find you in good health and happy. So friends, all those people who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do share for spreading happiness in everyone's life. Today I'll share a story which will show that how distractions take away happiness from our lives and how to get it back into it. So there was once a king, a very long time ago, there was once a king who was very famous for his wisdom, truth, justice and popularity. One day a sage from another kingdom, he came to this king and he told him that I have heard that you are very talented, very honest and a good ruler, and you have maintained your kingdom very fine, very nicely. I wanted to know that how do you carry out your duties so efficiently, although you are having all the luxuries of life and everything is there. Why don't you get distracted in those things, and how do you manage these things? The king first of all welcomed the sage and he said, I will definitely give you the answer, but give me one day's time. Till then, tomorrow, you please see my kingdom, how good my kingdom is, and then evening when we will meet, tomorrow evening I will give you the answer. So he told the sage to be a royal guest. The sage happily accepted the offer and he stayed in his palace for that night. Next day morning, the king sent his messengers to the sage. The sage was waiting for those messengers. The messenger came and he told the sage that yes, please, you are the royal guest and the king has requested you to have a visit to the entire kingdom, see how good, how beautiful our kingdom is, and then in the evening we will have a meeting with the king. The sage said, okay, let me see the kingdom because I have heard a lot about this kingdom. Let me have a trip of this kingdom for today. So as decided, the sage and the messengers and few soldiers, they set off for having a glance at the kingdom. Now when they started this journey, the messenger, he asked the sage, he gave the sage a bowl and he filled the bowl with water, and he told the sage that as per the royal orders, the king has ordered that you will have to carry this bowl throughout the journey having water, and even if one drop of water falls from this bowl, this soldier will knock your head off. He will chop your head off. The sage was very surprised. What is this? How? And this is very weird. But since it was a royal orders and he was already there in the kingdom, the sage said, okay, let me try. Okay. So the sage carried that bowl in his hand, filled with water up to the brim, and they started slowly walking through the entire kingdom with a few soldiers around. Now during the entire journey, the messenger kept on explaining the sage that see what a beautiful arch, see what beautiful gold jewelry shops we have, see what good gardens we have beautiful roses in those gardens and everything. Now during this entire episode, the sage wanted to look at those things, but he was fearing that the moment if he looked somewhere else, the water may spill and the soldier who is standing with his sword on his head, he will chop off his head. So because of this fear, he used to keep on looking in the bowl. He never he wanted to look somewhere else, admire the beauty, admire the places, but no. After a few hours, the sage got frustrated. He said, stop it, that's enough, I've seen the kingdom enough, I want to meet the king right away. I don't want to see this kingdom anymore, I'm happy with it, I want to go back. The messenger said, okay. So they immediately came back, and the sage, in a very infuriated state, very angry, very displeased state, he went to the king. The king told him, Arey, you came so early. I was expecting you in the evening. So very quickly you have seen my kingdom. What a beautiful kingdom I have, and I hope you appreciate my kingdom. In fact, I had told the messenger to update you of each and every spot in my kingdom. So, how did you like my kingdom? Please say. The sage got very, very angry on the king. He said, whatever I heard about you, that you are a very humble person, very wise person, everything is rubbish. You are a person who tries to play pranks with the sages, and you are a person who threatens the people, and you are not a good king, and this and that, and what all abuses he told the king. The king said, I understand your frustration, and I understand what you say. You had yesterday asked me this same question, and this is the answer which I wanted to give it to you. God has created a very fantastic world around me. The world is very fantastic, it is very full of luxuries. I am the king, I can afford everything in life. Yet, I always try to keep my focus on the duties which I am also supposed to do. In the same manner, like you were surrounded with my kingdom, which is full of luxuries, which is full of pleasantries, everything is there, but you did not dare to look up at those things and get engrossed in those things. So a moment of distraction would have killed you. That was the fear in your mind. And this is the way that when I rule the kingdom, I keep God's faith in me, that God is watching each and every action of mine, and if any action goes wrong, if I get involved in all the luxuries of life, leaving my duties, not doing my duties, and then getting engrossed in those distractions, that will lead to my own failure, that will lead to my own downturn, and that will lead to the destruction of my own kingdom. So guys, this is what I wanted to say, that we are surrounded with many things. We have lots of social platforms, we have TVs, we have movies releasing, 3-4 movies releasing every week, we have malls, we have pubs, we have so many distractions in life. But our main focus should be remain grounded, remain positive, don't get distracted to these distractions, be focused on your work, your family, your friends. These are the most important people around you. Try to focus on those things, try to focus on your career, and always try to stay happy and positive. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like my video, please do subscribe and press the bell icon below, so that the regular updates keep coming to you automatically. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.